Hello gamers. Now we came with laptop, big quantity. I will introduce you how you will get our laptops and good price. There is my team, they will assist you. You will see. Now we received this shipment. This is more than 2000 pieces we have. What is this? This is Mr. Majnu Bhai. Majnu Bhai is here.
Hello, how are you?
You know him?
Old Majnu.
Majnu Bhai. Majnu Bhai, introduce what we have.
So guys, this is HP 15 model FD0250WM Core i5 13th generation 8GB RAM 512 SSD Windows 11 silver color.
What is the price?
Price is very amazing price.
What price? Tell me now.
You can't believe
My
this
guys.
price.
Why? There is so many people in the market.
So many people, but here DXB Gamers price is different.
Tell me what price you want to give.
Only 1290.
Wow! Amazing price, guys. If you want, you can check website. No one can get this price. And we have different model also. You will get this one 2000 pieces. Anyone want stock, you will get. And especially wholesale price, he will assist you. He will give you very good price.
See HP notebook, this one.
This is a different model, guys. This is HP 15FD0127DX. This is Core i7 with 13th generation, 512 SSD, 16GB memory, and with Windows 11.
And with touch screen also.
What is this?
With touch screen.
Touch baby.
Touch baby.
Tell him price.
You can't believe this. You know how much is this?
How much?
1950.
Really?
Yeah, even you buy one
Core
piece,
i7.
100 piece. Yes, Core i7.
Brand new.
Yes.
With 1 year warranty.
1 year warranty.
Wow, guys, what is the price?
1950. And once again, where you get?
DXB Gamers, baby. And second one, show him. And what you have other offers?
Other offer, I show you this with graphic card.
Wow.
HP Victus.
Okay.
3093DX Ryzen 7 16GB RAM 512 SSD and RTX 4050 6GB graphics with Windows.
Gamers, renders, and YouTubers. What they want? With the graphics, baby. We have, what is the graphics, brother, this one?
RTX 4050 6GB
40,
graphics.
50 with 6GB graphics. With Majnu Bhai you will get.
Majnu bhai.
Majnu Bhai, tell him price. Our gamers, they need very good price.
2175.
Really?
Yes, 2175.
graphics?
Yeah.
6GB
I'm
graphics?
mad only.
Really?
Yes.
Guys, how much you saying? How much you saying?
2175.
Again.
2175.
2175, guys, with the 40-50 graphics, laptop with 1 year warranty. Where you will get? DXB Gamers, baby. And what you have another? MSI, what we have?
MSI Katana.
Wow, Katana.
Katana baby.
What is the specification this one?
Specs this one. Core i7 14th generation 16GB RAM 512 SSD and RTX 5050 graphics. 8GB graphic, not 6GB,
50
4GB.
graphics. What is the price?
Price we can give you 3950.
Give him na good price na.
Also given good price. Market value this is 4100. Only DXB
Guys,
Gamer 3950.
Before coming also you check this price. What you have other?
Kaju Katli. This is
Wow.
Kaju Katli.
Really?
See, Kaju Katli.
Show him. Give him offers, good offers.
This is HP Omen Transcend Ultra 7 16GB RAM 1TB SSD RTX 5060 8GB graphics 14 inch just like Kaju Katli.
Baby, this is lightweight. You can carry on this with bag, without bag, wherever you want you can use. And this is latest model HP Omen. What is the price, brother?
4600.
Wow, guys, Majnu is saying 4,600.
600.
This is very good price. Other models, what you have?
We have lot of model. Which one you want? Which
Guys,
brand you want?
Any model you want, we have a lot of models. We cannot introduce lot of models. We have all the details in our website dxbgamers.com. And if you want big quantity, this Majnu Bhai is here.
Majnu bhai available here.
Majnu Bhai is here. He's available all the time, 24 hours. You knock him in WhatsApp. He will give you very good price Inshallah, you will see, you will feel very happy and give them good price. Majnu, this is, we have big quantity laptops. Whoever want, you can visit with us, DXB Gamers, and you can visit our here advanced reader. This is our new branch. Okay, and any event you want, even Saudi also you want, we can ship to you.
All country we can ship.
Oman, anywhere you want, we can ship to you. Whoever you want, you just DM us, WhatsApp us. Then you will get all the details. And other one thing is tourist guys, they coming. If they buy tourist guys here, they will get 5% VAT return in the airport. We have that all facility also. And if they want big quantity, you will get our with Majnu Bhai, and we will give you very good price and shipping detail also. We will discuss about this depend on your country. We have big quantities and regular shipments every day. 2000 laptops we are receiving and every day we are selling. Inshallah, whoever you want, we will get you and very good price we will give. USA price we will give you. Inshallah, contact with us. Majnu Bhai. What is his name?
Majnu.
Okay guys. Thank you guys.